Hi, this is King of Review. Here we have to find the characteristic of the common logarithm, the log of 1234, 1234. This is a common logarithm, meaning even though there's no base given, we assume the base is 10. So we're trying to figure out what this log equals, or at least the characteristic of what this log equals. Now let's talk about characteristic for a moment. If a log of some number x is equal to, let's say, 4.568, and so on, it may go on for a while. The 4 is what we call the characteristic, and all the decimals afterwards, as long as they're positive, as long as it's a positive number, is called the mantissa. But here we're not worried about the mantissa, we're worried about the characteristic, basically the whole number part, or the integer part of the log. So let's come back to our log base 10. We don't know what this equals exactly, we'd have to use a calculator to find it out perfectly, but we don't really need a calculator. We don't need to know what the actual number is to figure out what the characteristic is, because we know we can write this equation equivalently as 10 to the power of our question mark is equal to 1234. Well, let's think about a couple possibilities for this question mark. I know that 10 to the third power, 10 times 10 times 10, is 1,000. And I know that if I go up to the fourth power, 10 to the fourth power is equal to 10,000. Now 1234 is somewhere in between these two numbers, which means the power, the question mark that we're trying to find, is somewhere between 3 and 4. It's 3 point something, 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 something. I don't really know what these decimals are, but the point is, we know it starts with a 3. And since the characteristic is the integer at the beginning, before a decimal point in a log, that means 3 is our answer. 3 is the characteristic of this logarithm. So that's it. Thanks for watching.